Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be working with Angular templates in ServiceNow, a great way to keep your widgets clean, reusable and maintainable. We will walk through a practical example where we build a book list widget that displays a list of books using a reusable template. For that, let me explain you a simple scenario. Suppose we are building a book list widget that displays a list of books along with the title and author. Instead of repeating the same HTML for each book, we will use an Angular template to keep things clean, modular and reusable. To explain you Angular templates in detail, I have already created a widget called Angular templates. Let me add sample data to show you the demo. For that, data.books equals to an empty array, and then let me add some data within it in different objects. Title as title1 and author as author1. Similarly, let me add two more objects. Title2, author2, title3 and author3. Let's add basic HTML. Like h3 would be books, authors. Let it be the title for now. In general, we will call this repeatedly with the help of ngRepeat to repeat over each element. Book in data.books. Within that, book.title to get the title of that particular book, and book.author to get the author and save it. This is working fine, but now let's improve this by using Angular template. To do that, click on the menu, open this widget in platform, scroll down to the list, and in the ng templates click on new and let the ID be book template, and I have to replace this, right? For that I am copying this element and submit the record. To replace this element, we have created ng template, right? For that, simply replace it with div within the ng include attribute. Just place the ID of the ng template, that is book template, and save that. We have successfully replaced this with ng template. Make sure that you are using book template within the single quotes, within the double quotes, or else you won't get the output. So with this simple book list widget, you saw how to add basic data on the server side, displaying using ngRepeat, extracting the inner HTML into a reusable ng template, and including it using ng include. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more ServiceNow development tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video and happy templating in ServiceNow.